So apparently talking to yourself all day is just super weird unless you have a headset on. You see this? Now it's not weird because now I can sit and talk to myself as much or as often as I want and nobody even notices. No, I'm just kidding. But if you live, work, or have a home office like I do, you're going to want something that is super lightweight, super comfortable, and interchangeable from being on a call to actually playing some games if that's what you want to do. Now, again, this is not a gamer headset by any stretch of the imagination. This is more of a productivity headset. So if you're on a calls a lot, it's a Bluetooth headset, so you can switch between your computer or your phone if you connect it to your phone as well. So it's a professional wireless headset. To get it to connect, really super easy. You just have this USB-C dongle that it connects to, so you can connect it that way. We're just gonna plug that right into the computer, right there. So let's go ahead and listen to the quality that you get on your headset. Because the headset can look good, but if it doesn't sound good, get it out of here, right? I'm gonna start with the microphone right here. Just this microphone, what does it sound like or what does it feel like? What do you hear right out of the gate? So actually I'm gonna do a test, listen back to it, and then give me my feedback. All right, here's my natural sounding voice. As you can tell, this is no filters, nothing going on, just right through the computer. And we're just gonna be downloading this and just seeing. Now, in my opinion, this is not premium audio quality whatsoever, but where it lives is if you're in a call center and you want the wireless connection versus the wired connection, you're not gonna be using this for podcasting, you're not gonna be using this for making videos or anything like that, but this might just get the job done if you're like at a drive-through and you're trying to order a burger and you're like, hello, what did you just say? Yeah, that's where this lives. So to charge it, you just have the case right here. You can stick that into a Bluetooth right there. It comes with this charging case right here. And you have a power in. You can actually have USB 2.0 right here or USB-C right here as well. So you can have a couple extra ports that comes off that. So plug that in and there you go. It's charging. Now you just plug that in just like that. That's kind of cool. You just have a stand like that. That's pretty cool. So now we're charging. Now really fast, this is going to take you on a tour of these buttons. You have your power button right there. Maybe you can't see it. And then you have some volume up and down knobs here. And then on the back right here, you have a mute button. So all of that with this headset. The best quality about this headset is that it is lightweight and it's Bluetooth and it comes with a charging stand.